This course will give you everything that you need in order to actually begin practicing Reiki on yourself and other people. It's a remarkable way to begin a journey of healing. This is how I began my healing journey with Reiki in the late 90s, and I just really couldn't recommend it more. I can't think of anything more simple and as effective. It's absolutely amazing. So anybody really can become a Reiki practitioner, and I'm going to give you what you need to know to get started on this journey. So the benefits of learning Reiki is that you will be able to channel Reiki energy for healing of yourself, your family, your children, other people, and the planet, actually, your plants, your neighbors. It's a way to just completely begin a journey of opening up to receiving healing.
The focus of this training has been empowerment, and I don't mean in terms of Reiki empowerment, I mean in terms of empowerment to believe in myself as a practitioner for self-healing and for the healing of others.
This class has been really incredible. I feel like she's structured it in a way that makes a lot of sense to the body, to the mind, to the spirit. She's kind of integrated, I feel like, the whole body, like the emotional body, the mental body, and the physical body into the work, into this like energetic work.
Reiki taps into our own inner knowing of who we are and that we're okay and that we're essentially good people with our own prayers for our aliveness and health.
It is so profound here with Bronwyn. I find that being in her presence, she recognizes and sees you for who you are, and that lets you be free to find what's true, what's calling, what you want to share, and just to be seen and to see others for their truth is such a great foundation to learn and to be inspired.
She's changed the me that's with me.
Her practice of dance and movement and holding water and all these things are really bringing this fluidness of the Reiki through in a really special way.
I take people from the very beginning stages of not knowing anything about Reiki to being able to teach, inspire, and lead people in their communities to also be practicing Reiki.